Okay, what's your name?
Devin.
Okay, and this is 2/1/13. The death of Devin Mitchell. Okay.
Ready?
Ready?
I'm going.
Set. You can do this. It's all good.
You didn't say go!
Go. Try to swallow it. Try to swallow it.
Yeah!
Okay.
Okay, I'm good.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
It got like all up in my sinuses and stuff when I did it.
Good. I'm good. That was terrible.